Hello everyone, welcome to Art Brigade YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting abstract art using gold leaf. So it's already a primed canvas, so I textured the canvas with modeling paste at the middle portion. This texturing features provides depth and tactile quality to the art. Because this painting features a textured abstract composition with a gold leaf and a mix of traditional and modern techniques. Then I painted all the canvas with warm grey and dark grey. I'm using a flat brush of a size 4. This art comprises of a gradient of earthy tones including a beige, a brown and a grey. Here I am using unbleached titanium. It's a shade of a beige. Now I'm going to apply unbleached titanium, that is a beige shade, using a palette knife because I don't want to hide the texturing features of this texture paste. This is a kind of a minimal art, so I used only minimal colors like a beige shade, warm grey and a dark grey. Later I will use this brown shade also. I'm trying to make a more texture effects on the middle portion. So when I apply gold leaf on these areas, there's a shimmering effect of the gold leaf makes this art a metallic shine. My texture paste is not dried well, so I got the mix of texture paste with the colors makes this color more thicker than usual artist colors. I just smudge away the edges of the textures with a dry brush. Now I'm adding darker shades of the grey at the edges of the texture. Applying this way makes to enhance the texture details more. Now I'm going to apply gold leaf adhesive on the texture areas. Before that I let the texture and the paint dry completely. This is the most interesting part of the painting. This is a gold leaf from Mona Lisa brand. Once the glue is dry, I applying this gold leaf. The shimmery effect of this gold leaf is the beauty of this kind of modern abstract art. The gold leaves are adhered to where the glue is, so there is no exact point where you can apply gold leaf. It's up to where you have applied gold adhesive. Now what I'm going to do is I want to see the gold shimmering effect in detail, and also I want to enhance the beauty of this gold leaf. So I'm applying a darker shade of brown. It makes this gold shimmering effect and also enhance the beauty of textures. As you can see, the dark brown layering with gold leaf enhances the shimmering effects of gold leaf. This burnt umber, that's a shade of brown, is the one of the best color for layering gold leaf. You can follow my steps like what I did to enhance the shimmering effect of gold leaf. You can apply darker shades at the edges of gold leaf. It makes to enhance the texture effect and also shimmering effects of gold leaf. Now I want to look the painting a composition of dark brown and gold. So I'm trying to give dark brown shades at the edges of the canvas for the final look. I'm removing side tape. This is the best part of the painting, which actually makes how the art look. Now I want to get brighter shade of this painting, so I'm just smudging with a beige color. With a dry brush, you can just smudge all those dark shades with a beige color, and that's it. This is how you can make your own aesthetic, minimal kind of modern abstract art with this easy and simple techniques. Now I used only 4 colors and gold leaf to enhance the beauty of this art. Just now I'm just smudging away the dark shades using a very dry brush. Take your time and do your best, and this is how it looks. So hope you all like my video. Please share to your friends and subscribe. Thanks for watching.